Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and on this Jaguar we're going to go over where you find your VIN numbers on this vehicle. There are 3 easy locations of VIN numbers. Sometimes they are also located on doors and other panels, but we have the VIN number locator right here, which is just inside the front door and the back door. It's on the center column, and that is the standard one that is put on there by the factory as well as the other ones. But this is your VIN number, and this one tells you all the year, the vehicle weight, and everything like that. Right, so this one has all the information on it. Then you're going to have one. It's always right here in the bottom of the window. It can be, this one is more of a horizontal or a vertical. A lot of times they're horizontal right down here, but this one is of a vertical one. So that's the one there at the bottom of the window. And then this vehicle has another one right here on the strut mount inside the engine bay. There can be various more, sometimes on the trunk, sometimes on the door panels. It depends on the manufacturer, but there are more than one location for you to be able to coincide, and if they all match, well then the VIN number should be correct on the vehicle. And so that's where you can locate your VIN numbers on your Jaguar XE. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.